Welcome back to my channel. So, do you know that in 2024, one thing that people are going to invest a lot is into skills? And when I mean skills, people are going to be looking for information. People are going to be looking for something that is going to change their life. And one of them is skills. A lot of people are talking about, you need to learn skills, you need to do something online, you need to look for something that can help you online. And people are looking for where they can learn this thing. And that's where you come in. So, you have a lot of information today that people are willing to pay to learn, but you don't know about it. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the power of digital products. And this particular video is going to be exciting because I'm going to give you a practical aspect that you can actually put in place today, and you can actually take measure after watching this particular video today, and it's going to change your life. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a very big offer. This offer is actually free. There's nothing, I'm not charging you anything for. I just want you to stay right to the end of the video, and then at the end of the video, I'm going to give you this particular offer, and if you take it, I swear it's going to change your life. So basically, let's get right straight into the video. So what's today's video about? It's about the power of digital products. Now, information marketing is one of the industry that people are actually using to make money online in 2024. What do I mean by information marketing? Basically selling your knowledge. So you're going to be showing people something that you know. Let's say you're a baker and you know how to make cake. So people are willing to actually go into baking in 2024 basically because they heard someone that people are making a lot of money from catering stuff, from baking cake. Now they want to be a baker. They'll be looking for places to learn this particular thing, and that's where you come in. You can start creating courses online and offline that can help people to learn this thing, and you can make a lot of money out of it. Now, the power of digital products is the fact that you can create digital products that can help you to sell, that require you to create particular products now, just once, and then reap the ripple effects for a very long time. So I'm going to give you a practical example, but there are different ways that you can actually go about this thing. But the first thing is I'm going to make it very practical. I'm going to break it down into four steps. The first step is that you need to understand what digital products are. The second thing is that you need to then go outside and validate your idea. Make sure that what you're trying to create, people are actually searching for it. People want it, that the market is a niche that people are willing to spend money on. And the third thing is that you need to also check out for that be the digital space funnels that you're going to be using, because obviously you need to market this thing, and then you need to learn how to close people on and make sales. So now let me explain what digital content are, or digital products are. Digital products are products that are on the internet, are on the space. Internet space basically it's like a soft copy kind of product. So that's what we're going to be creating. People are looking to learn how to make do cake. People are looking to learn software engineering. People are looking to learn video editing. People are looking to learn how to run ads. People are looking to learn a lot of skills because they believe now that skills is going to change their life. But they need to know where to learn them. That's where you are going to come into place. You're going to create courses like ebook. So ebook is a form of digital products. We have ebook, we have video courses, we have coaching program. All of these things are video kind of digital products, because you don't need to actually put in money at the beginning to actually create them. You can just record videos, and then you can sell those videos to people who are looking to actually grow or grow themselves, develop themselves. So now that you know what digital products are, for example, ebooks are digital products, ebooks are electronic book. Before now you can have physical copy of books, but you can have those kind of copy of book as soft copy. Those are what we call ebooks. So coaching courses, our coaching program, people can pay for one-on-one mentorship, and you can come on live section with them, teach them, and they are going to learn from you, and you can earn money from that. Also, you can also do online courses where you record these videos and then you sell these videos to people. So this is another form of digital products. You can also sell softwares. If you're a software developer, you can create the software and you can sell it. So all of these forms are digital products that you can sell. Now, let's say you are into the baking niche, and then you want to create a course that teaches people how to become a caterer, even if they don't have any knowledge. The next thing you need to do, you need to go outside. You can create posts on Instagram, on Facebook. You can give out free templates on how you can do an homemade cake on a very low budget. So you can give it out to people. People can go and try the recipe, and this is how you write this idea. And then inside of that ebook, this video template they are giving, you can tell them that they can go and check if they want to see a very elaborate content that talks about how to become a caterer in 4 weeks or in 5 weeks or in 6 months. they should click on the link to join your community. So this is one way that you can get people, gather people, because you're trying to validate the idea. You can actually put out this free checkout and just run ads to it. So a lot of people can see it. You can see if you have a market for it. This is just an example. You can see if you're into any business, if you're an editor, you know how to edit video. You can actually teach people how to edit video. But a lot of persons in 2024 are looking for skills that can earn them money, and video editing is one of them. You can teach people how to edit video, how you can create video courses, and you can sell it to people. This is bring me to the third step, which is the fact that after you've validated the idea, the next thing is to build funnels. The funnels are still the step-by-step process you want to take your customers to, and before, like, you can be able to sell anything to them. So you want to build funnels that can be able to convert. So what I mean by that is that when you tested the market, you can then go ahead to create your course, because now you have already made community that you can sell to, and you validate that the fact that you have a market. So the next thing is that you can go and create a landing page that you can be able to carry people to. So when people see your ads on Facebook, on Instagram, they click on it, they go to your landing page where you're able to collect that information. You can set up email sequence at the back end of it, and that can help you to actually remarket to these people. You can remarket to them. You can set up email sequence at the end, remarket to them, or you can take them to Telegram channel or a WhatsApp group, depending on your funnel type. So this is like the sales process you want to take people to. That's the next thing you need to actually build, because you need to put that in place for people to actually convert and then make money from it. The first thing is by sales is how to get traffic. You need to get traffic. You need to actually get people to actually buy the product. Then you need to pump in ads. You need to run ads on Facebook, on Instagram, Google ads. You need to pump in content as well, so people can be able to see that you exist and via organic traffic, and then find you as well via paid traffic. So basically, if you're enjoying the video right now, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Subscribe now, because I make video on how to make money online, strategies to make money online as well. I also make videos on Facebook digital marketing. If you are someone who's looking to grow business online and you're enjoying this content, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out any valuable content I'm putting out in 2024. So, alright, so these are like the four processes you need to take. For example, you need to understand what digital products are, you already know what format you want to create. If it's an ebook, if it's a coaching program, if it's a online course, you need to validate it. And you need to also, the next thing is also need to validate your idea. You need to look at does it have a market? Then the third, you need to build funnels, and the fourth is actually to start getting sales, which is to start running adverts and start promotion, so that people can understand that you have this product that you are selling, you have this information that you are selling. They can need to find you and they can need to close and make sales. So the free offer I have for you right now is that I'm going to be hosting a free webinar in the month of March, where I'm going to show you how to actually start and a profitable information marketing business from scratch. It's going to be free, absolutely free. I'm not charging you anything for it. Just make sure that you click on the community section of this particular video. You see the Telegram channel of it. You see a Telegram channel. Click on it and join the community. You're going to see a lot of videos. You're going to see a lot of content leading to a program. The program is ahead. We're going to be holding in March. I'm going to show you how to start an information marketing business from scratch. So if you want to be part of it, it's actually free. Make sure you click on the link in the Telegram, in the description, and join the Telegram channel so you can be part of it. So make sure you subscribe to my channel as well, so you don't miss out information products or marketing tips I give out here every week. So make sure you subscribe. I'm going to see you in my next video.